There lived a boy named Rohan in a city. He was about 22 years old, and after finishing his studies, he used to roam around all day without any purpose. He was neither interested in any work nor did he have any dream for which he would work hard. Rohan's parents were worried seeing his condition. They tried to explain to him many times, but every time he ignored them. Friends, today's story is very informative. Before you get lost in the story, like the video and subscribe to our Energy of Life channel. If you also believe in Gautam Buddha from your heart, then do not forget to write Namo Buddhaya in the comment. So let's start the story. Rohan's day was spent in useless activities. He often used to sit at a roadside tea stall with his friends and gossip. Sometimes he used to play games on mobile and sometimes scroll social media without any purpose. Gradually, these habits of his started affecting his health as well. His body became weak, his eyes started to remain red, and he started feeling mental stress. His friends also started making fun of his condition. One day his friend laughingly said, "Hey Rohan, you will just remain a permanent customer of this tea shop. What is the purpose of your life?" Hearing this, Rohan felt bad, but he did not take his friend's taunts seriously. One morning when the sun was slowly rising from the east and the people of the city were getting busy in their work, Rohan thought that today he would go for a little walk. He kept walking without any aim and reached an old Buddhist monastery located outside the city. The atmosphere there was very peaceful and divine. The trees and plants were green and there was a wonderful freshness in the air. There was a big Bodhi tree near the monastery, under which an old Buddhist monk was sitting engrossed in meditation. His face was radiant and there was a special aura in his personality. Rohan looked at him for some time and then slowly went and sat near him. The monk opened his eyes and smiled looking at Rohan. He said lovingly, "Son, are you in some trouble? You seem very disturbed to me." Rohan put forward the dilemma of his life in front of the monk and said, "Swamiji, there is no purpose in my life. I always sit idle and I do not understand what I am doing. I neither have any dream nor any inspiration for anything." The monk looked at Rohan carefully for some time and then said in a deep voice, "Son, sitting idle is the biggest curse. Your mind and body both are priceless gifts given by God. If you waste them in vain, then this life will also be wasted. I will tell you 10 rules of success. If you follow them, then your life can change." Rohan bowed his head with respect and got ready to listen to the monk carefully. Number 1. Turn dreams into goals. The monk said, "Every person has a dream in his mind, but only dreaming is not enough. Those who turn their dreams into goals, they achieve success. First of all, decide what you want to achieve in your life. If you do not know this, then your life will be like a lost ship without direction." Hearing this, Rohan thought that he had never set any goal in his life. His mind was forced to think about the direction of his life for the first time. Number 2. Use time properly. The monk further said, "Son, time is the most valuable thing in the world. If you waste time, then you will be able to use it properly. If you do this, it never comes back. A person who does not value time does not get success in life. Look at every moment as an opportunity and use it properly. A tired day is one in which you learn something new or do something that takes you closer to your goal." The monk told a story. In ancient times, there was a king who was very lazy. The condition of his kingdom was bad because he always thought that he would start working from tomorrow. One day his kingdom was snatched away by his enemies. Then he realized that his laziness and waste of time became the reason for his defeat. Number 3. Adopt meditation and concentration. Meditation is a tool that concentrates your distracted mind. If you meditate daily, your mind will become calm and your concentration will increase. The monk said. He narrated an instructive incident. Once, a young Sarak used to feel a lot of trouble in his meditation. His mind used to wander and he never got peace. Then his guru instructed him to look at the roots of a tree. The Sarak saw that the roots were spread deep into the ground and were strong. The guru said, just as the roots make the tree stable, similarly meditation will make your mind stable. Since then, the seeker's life changed. Number 4. Develop small habits. The monk told Rohan, every big change begins with small habits. Try to adopt a new positive habit every day, like getting up early in the morning. Studying or exercising. Continuous small improvements will lead you to great achievements. Rohan remembered that he had never been disciplined. He thought that if he started improving his habits, perhaps his life could also be better. Number 5. Take care of health. The monk said seriously, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. If you do not take care of your body, you will have difficulty achieving success. Exercise, eat nutritious food and maintain balance in your daily routine. Health is the greatest wealth. Rohan thought how weak he had become. On hearing this, he decided that he would exercise every day to strengthen his body. Music. Number 6. Think positive. The monk said, if you adopt positive thinking in your life, you will get into the habit of seeing the good in every situation. Control your thoughts because they affect your actions. Negative thinking only creates obstacles. The monk gave an inspirational. The story was told. There was a farmer whose field was flooded. He kept thinking what will happen to him now. Then he adopted a positive attitude and tried to grow a new crop. His hard work paid off and his crop grew better than before. Number 7. Follow self-discipline. You cannot achieve any goal without self-discipline. The monk said, learn to discipline yourself. Know when to do what and when not to do what. Use your time and energy in the right direction. Number 8. Learn from failures. Failure is your biggest teacher in life. Look at failures as your experience and learn from them. The monk advised. Number 9. Learn something new every day. The monk said, by acquiring knowledge you can reach new heights in your life. Make a habit of learning something new every day, whether it is by reading books, taking advice from an expert, or from your experiences. The process of learning never ends. Number 10. Never give up. Once a sculptor tried to make a beautiful statue, but his statue would break again and again. He did not give up and kept learning from his mistake every time. Finally he prepared an excellent statue which made him famous. So friends, I hope you like this. You must have liked the story. To get more such story videos, so please subscribe to our Energy of Life channel and like the video. See you again with more such story videos. Take care of yourself and don't forget to write Namo Buddhaya in the comments.